Hello guys, we are back with our next lectures. In this series, we are going to start the third unit of graph theory, guys. Okay, so in this lecture, we'll be going through Hamiltonian graph. So what graphs are called as Hamiltonian graphs? So basically, we discussed about Euler graphs, right? So if you recall, in our last series only we discussed about Euler graphs. So in Euler graphs, a graph is said to be Euler graph if the graph is visiting each and every edge, guys. So from the name only, Euler starts with E and edge starts with E. Whereas the opposite of this is nothing but Euler graph is opposite is nothing but Hamiltonian graph, and edge opposite is nothing but vertex. So Hamiltonian graph, you need to pass through each and every vertex exactly once. There is no rule for passing through each and every edge, guys. You just need to pass through each and every vertex, that's it. Okay, so let us go through the theoretical part. So in a connected graph is a defined, first let us go through Euler circuit, guys, or Euler cycle. So is a connected graph is defined as a closed walk that traverses every vertex of the graph exactly once, except the starting and the ending vertex. So because as it is a closed walk, the first and the last should be same, and it should pass through each and every vertex. Okay, so that is nothing but a Euler circuit. Okay, so let us take a small example here, guys. I'll be using the same example which was given in the book. Okay. 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 So this is a small example which was given in the book, guys. So now let us try to solve it. Okay. Okay. So assume that you started at this place. Okay. So we need to just travel along with each and every edge, right? Yes. Okay, we ended at the same edge. We visited each and every vertex, right? Yes, we did not miss any vertex, and we visited each and every vertex, right? Through particular edge. There is no need of all edges, guys. You just need to visit each vertex at least once, and you need to visit each and every vertex. That's it. Okay, so we visited each and every vertex. Hence, this is having a Euler circuit starting from here and in this way, right? Yes. So this graph is nothing but a Euler graph, Hamiltonian graph, guys. Okay. Okay. So Hamiltonian graph, a graph is said to be Hamiltonian if it has a Hamiltonian circuit or cycle. So these are the three examples, guys. You can just assume it in this way. Okay. So initially assume you started here. Okay, I think this pen will be appearing, right? Okay, it's appearing. So we'll be starting it here and you'll be continuing in this way. At the end we reached. We passed through each and every vertex, right? Hence, it is a Euler circuit, the path, and this graph is a Euler graph. Hamiltonian graph. Sorry for that, guys. So this path is a Hamiltonian path, and the graph is nothing but a Hamiltonian graph. Okay. Similarly for this. So first, let us assume we started here. Okay, we traveled in this way. Okay, we started here and we ended here. Hence, this circuit is nothing but a Hamiltonian circuit, and this graph is a Hamiltonian graph. So we discussed about two examples which are originally Hamiltonian graphs, right? So now let us go through one more example which is not. So assume that you started here. Okay, we started here but we ended here. Hence, this is not a Hamiltonian graph, and it is not a Hamiltonian circuit, but it is a Hamiltonian path, guys, because it is visiting each and every vertex exactly once, even though it is not ending at the same starting point. Hence, it is called as a Hamiltonian path. Okay, so the best and the interesting problem for this particular chapter will be traveling salesman problem, guys. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea about Hamiltonian circuit and Hamiltonian graph and Hamiltonian path. So in the next lecture we will be going through some kind of important topics, that is nothing but independent sets, and we'll be discussing about matching and all those things, guys. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.